Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Re'biana, and today I have this very full density wig unit sent from Alley Pearl Hair. Thank you guys for sending me over this wig unit. So to start with the specs, this is a deep wave texture wig. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig unit as well. It's in 250% density and also in 26 inches. So as you guys could see, it did come with a very full hairline, you guys. So just keep in mind that this is a very full density wig unit, you guys. So it's going to come very dense and full. So if you are not into very full density wig units, I do not recommend this wig unit for you. So again, it did come with a very dense hairline. So this whole hair video is basically me trying to thin out the hairline, you guys. And also, I did over pluck it. Now in person it did not look bad, but once I went back to edit my footage, the initial footage, I was like, I don't really like how this looks on camera. So I went back and basically just cut the extra lace off and did my baby hairs, and it came out perfectly fine. Like, it was not really a lot of extra work actually at all. So I do want to talk to you guys about the prep that I did for this wig unit before the hair review. Now I did go in and bleach the knots on my own, you guys, and I also went in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color Cocoa to tint my lace, and it came out beautifully. So as you guys can see, it looks like it's like blended into my skin. It's because I bleached and I tinted my lace. So I also did wash the hair, you guys, and define the curls as well. I do not use any product in my hair when it comes to air drying the wig. So basically all I do is wash the hair, and I'll put the conditioner in there, and then I'll rinse it out, and I use my defining brush to define the curls, and I sit it outside to air dry. That's what I do. That's why my curls are so fluffy. I've been getting a lot of questions on why my wig units don't look like other reviewers, or questions of the type of products that I use. You guys can tell my hair always looks fluffy, or my curly hair always looks fluffy, and it's because I don't have any product in it. I don't like tamed curly hair. It's not really my style. It's not really my thing, unless that's the style that I'm going for. But I always just use water define my curls, and I just let it air dry outside, and I just pull out my curls on camera. So my curly hair reviews, it's not really a lot of work. The only thing that I really have to do is the baby hairs and things of that such, or the hairline. But when it comes to pulling out the curls, I've already defined them. So all I have to really do is like get it to lay how I want it to. So if you guys are new here, just letting you guys know that I do not use product in my hair. And if I do, I would definitely show it in the video. But just go and look back on my other hair reviews so that you guys could like get acquainted to like my curly hair videos. They're all pretty much the same on how I install them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Re'bianaSymone and Re'biana on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
How to keep the healing.